Hey, if you want to turn on or off the Hey Google on your Realme C67, first of all, you'll have to open the Google application, so it appears just right here. And now you'll have to click on the right upper corner and from here navigate into the settings. Next, you will have to scroll down and go into the Google Assistant. Then select Hey Google and the voice match, and now if you turn it on and you want to turn it off, just click on the switcher and make it gray, like in my case. But if you want to turn it on, you have to click on the switcher like I did, and next you will have to scroll down and tap I agree. From here, you will have to scroll down and tap I agree, and now you will have to input your voice data. So in my case it's ready, but if you didn't set it up your account and your device with the Hey Google, you will have right here the circle, and you will have to repeat all of these phrases that will be shown on the screen until this circle will be completely finished, and you will be able to use your Hey Google. So now I can try if it works. So let's say Hey Google. As you can see right now, it is popping on the screen. So that's how it looks, and right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.